Hey guys, this is a tutorial on how to add hashtags to your YouTube video so other people can find them a lot easier. So, as you can see, this video has none at the moment. They usually appear just here. So on your own video, in the description, wherever you seem best fit, just simply type hashtag and then whatever it is. So this is Lego, hashtag Batman, hashtag blind bag, hashtag opening. All you have to do then is save changes. You can also put the hashtags in the title description, then go back onto the original video. All you have to do then is refresh. Then when we go back onto the video, your hashtags are now in place. So now if I search on YouTube hashtag Lego, hashtag blind bag or hashtag Batman, this video will then come up in the newsfeed. This video will also be in the description, so go take a look. Thanks for watching. Bye.